The resource revolution gathered speed in 2017, which marked a new turning point in Suez's history. Suez acquired GE Water and Process Technologies. With 7,500 new employees, the group has consolidated its position as the world leader in industrial water, with the broadest portfolio of solutions and leading-edge technologies.
The innovation policy was actively pursued. On the digital front, the group inaugurated a new Visio Smart Water Management Center near Paris and launched Valovisio, the first smart control center for waste management and recovery. Suez and Procter & Gamble received the United Nations Momentum for Change Award for the first recycled shampoo bottle containing 25% of plastic collected on beaches. Together with the Waga Energy startup, Suez developed WagaBox, a technology that optimizes the recovery of the energy potential of waste. Organics, the first digital marketplace for organic waste in France, opened for business. In another promising project supported by Suez, the black soldier fly is being used to turn organic waste into proteins.
In 2017, Suez entered new partnerships with leading industrial groups to speed up the transition towards a circular economy. Suez and its partners are making a commitment with the French government to promote a sustainable aviation biofuel industry in France. A worldwide memorandum was signed with L'Oréal to improve environmental performance and resource management on the sites operated by the world's leading supplier of beauty products. Suez and La Poste set up a joint company to collect and recover as much office waste as possible on mainland France. Suez also teamed up with Lyon del Basel to produce high-quality recycled plastics in Europe. In China, the group entered a partnership with Solvay to develop leading-edge industrial water treatment technologies. A first contract was signed with the Yantai Chemical Industrial Park. In Thailand, Suez and partners are building the first industrial waste-to-energy power plant that meets European emission standards. In Brazil, Petrobras chose Suez to supply desalinated water to 11 offshore oil rigs. The group is also developing its activities in the oil industry in sub-Saharan Africa with the modernization and extension of Sonara's effluent treatment plant.
2017 witnessed significant progress in serving cities that are keen to reconcile improved quality of life and sustainable development. Suez and Bouygues Construction signed a worldwide agreement to join forces in favor of the circular economy and sustainable building in cities. Dijon Métropole awarded Bouygues Energy and Services, Citelium, Suez, and Capgemini the contract for the connected management of its public spaces, a unique open data project. The city of Paris opted for Suez to install 93,500 smart on-connect meters, becoming the first city in Europe to be equipped with smart meters on such a large scale. Maubeuge Val de Sambre awarded the management of its water services to Suez. Here again, digital technology takes priority with the installation of smart meters in 46,000 households. In French Guiana, 5 local authorities renewed their trust in Suez by opting for resolutely modern service with the creation of a Visio Center and the deployment of smart meters. In Rennes, Suez signed an ecological and smart waste collection contract. A data lab is created and smart trucks will be deployed to measure the air quality or the energy performance of buildings. Suez wins the water management contract in Dunkirk and renews its contract with the Carcassonne aglo-urban area. The group inaugurated the heat network of the Econautre Ecopole near Toulouse. The tomato greenhouses will be heated by energy recovered from household waste. And finally, in Créteil, near Paris, the local authorities of urban waste treatment has awarded Suez to build and operate the waste-to-energy plant of the Val-de-Marne region.
In Europe, Suez is supporting Amsterdam's Sustainable Urban Development Initiative to depollute and rehabilitate a former industrial activity zone as a new public area. Suez will build a waste-to-energy plant in Serbia, a pioneering project for the city of Belgrade. Suez signed its first contract in Romania with the city of Bucharest, which includes the construction of a sludge treatment and an energy recovery plant. In Qatar, Suez wins a major soil remediation contract, objective to remediate 400 hectares of lagoons southwest of Doha. In India, Suez supports the city of Bangalore to face the challenge of wastewater treatment with a new wastewater treatment plant. In China, Suez won the contract to optimize the sewer and stormwater systems in Chongqing. The AquaAdvance digital solution will be implemented to mitigate the risk of floods. In Australia, Suez continued to expand with 3 new contracts for the recycling and recovery of waste in the Northern Beaches district of Sydney, the management of waste in Brisbane, and the construction of a wastewater recycling plant in the Perth region. Suez expands its presence in the United States with a new water management contract in New York State. Finally, in Cameroon, Suez has been tasked with the construction of a drinking water production plant in the capital Yaoundé to address the issue of drinking water.
Suez's contributions received widespread recognition in 2017. The group was rewarded for its responsible performance by the DJSI Index, ranked as the top company in the waste and water utilities sector by the Vigeo rating agency, included in the A Climate list by the CDP, which recognized Suez's standing as a leader in the low-carbon future.
These distinctions reward the efforts that Suez's 90,000 employees make every day in favor of the resource revolution and a more sustainable future.